Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 30. My family. My wife. My children. My son. My daughter. My parents. My mum. My dad. My wife loves horses, but she doesn't like flies. My daughter lives in Germany, but she doesn't like beer. My son's really good at chess, but he loves fishing. My mum loves wine, but she doesn't like cheese. My dad lives in France, but he doesn't speak French. Which of these animals does my wife love? Horses, dogs, or cats? You say. Horses. She loves horses, but she likes dogs and cats too. Where does my daughter live? India, America, or Germany? Germany. She lives in Germany, but she likes India and America too. Which of these things does my son do really well? Dancing, singing, or playing chess? You say. Playing chess. He plays chess really well, but he sings and dances quite well too. Which of these drinks does my mum love? Orange juice, water, or wine? Wine. She loves wine, but she likes orange juice and water too. Where does my dad live? France, Australia, or Italy? France. He lives in France, but he likes Australia and Italy too. Which of my children doesn't like beer? My daughter. She lives in Germany, but she doesn't like beer. Which of my parents doesn't like cheese? My mum. She loves wine, but she doesn't like cheese. Which of my children can play chess really well? My son. He can play chess really well, but he spends all his time fishing. Which of my parents can't speak French? My dad. He lives in France, but he can't speak French. Who doesn't like flies? My wife. She loves horses, but she doesn't like flies. That's it for today. Thanks for coming, and see you again next time. Goodbye.